Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to select all slides in a PowerPoint presentation. Let's open the PowerPoint presentation. You will see the available slides. First, click on the first slide. Press the Shift key on your keyboard and click on the last slide. You will see that they are all selected. In addition to this form, click on any slide. Then press the Ctrl plus A keys. You will see that they are all selected. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.